Day Grade 3 learners, welcome to our lesson for Science 3 Quarter 3 Week 1 Day 3. Our topic for today is Moving Objects by Water. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you! Activating prior knowledge. What causes the flag to move? A flag is moving because it is being pushed by the wind. Lesson Purpose Intention. For today's lesson, you will describe how water can make objects move. Lesson Language Practice. Flowing water is water that moves. Example, a river turning on a faucet. Reading the key ideas STEM. Identify the objects in the image that apply a force causing other objects to move. The answer is, in the pictures, water is the objects that applies force that the flowing or moving water pushes other objects such as leaves, paper boats, small stones, twigs, plastic or small toys, boats. Because of the force of moving water, these objects are carried or pushed from one place to another. Developing understanding of the key ideas STEM. Identify the objects in the video or image that apply a force, causing other objects to move. The answer may vary. How did the water affect the movement of the objects in the image? The answer is, the water applied force on the objects that made them move. What are some other objects that can be moved by water? The possible answers are: the boats are moving because of flowing water. The leaves that fall on rivers are carried by flowing water. Deepening understanding of the key ideas STEM. Floods and tsunamis that move vehicles, trees, and buildings. Look at the scenario. Floods and tsunamis can create powerful water currents. Strong forces like those created by floods and tsunamis can move very large and heavy objects. It can also cause harm to people and property, making generalization and abstraction. How can water make objects move? The answer is, flowing water can move things by pushing them. Evaluating learning. Direction. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. Here are the possible answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!